Hi everyone, myself Phaneendra. I'm based out of Singapore. Today I would love to talk about my entire series for the past 12 years. I've been in the IT industry for the past 12 years. I would love to express the entire gratitude that what I received from all the Trailblazers, and would really thank to all the Salesforce community that what I got from the community, and then really happy for that. Coming to myself Phaneendra, I'm based out of Singapore, and I started my career in Hyderabad. In 2011, I graduated from Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University, primarily calling as a JNTU Hyderabad. So I'm one of my college ranker, and after my graduation, I got placed in one of the reputed company, one of the reputed MNCs, a banking and financial IT service-based company. And I've been working there for 2.5 years. And after that, I've joined a small, it's not a small, it's a big company, mobile programming company, which sits in Gurgaon. And they have almost 2,000 mobile app developers. And the good thing is I'm the only Salesforce developer who appointed me at the time. And so it's like, it's quite new for me that the Salesforce, I've started Salesforce 2013 December. And from there, I've just started learning Salesforce, and then I'm one of the Salesforce developers. They already have a project, and I was a little so pressurized so that how I can start, and really don't know how to create a sandbox and how to work with the code and everything. But that company gives me a lot of value. That company gives me a lot of challenges. So we have more challenges, and predominantly you're gonna get the best out of it. There, I've been working almost 1.5 years, and I've implemented 6 mobile apps, Salesforce mobile apps. And those apps have been successfully installed in Exchange. I've learned many technologies in the company. I've learned Java, I've learned HTML, CSS. I've learned how to programming in iOS, Android, Objective-C, how to do simulations and everything. And I've learned Ruby on Rails. I've built our own CTA plugin, and that plugin is currently leveraging by Salesforce CTA tools. And after that, I had an experience of how Salesforce works, how the deployment works, because I'm doing end-to-end implementation. So that's a kind of company that what I got. So from start to end, I'm the one who have been developing solutions, deploying, testing, doing everything, like an end-to-end kind of a manager. And after that, I've joined, after my 1.5 years, I've joined a great company in India that is called Abbott India. Abbott India, I've joined as a technical consultant, and I'm just keep growing my career in Salesforce, and learning many skills, which is marketing cloud, which is sales cloud, service cloud, community cloud, and I've learned many of the clouds, and I've been certified almost 14x certified that time, around 2017. I've been in more than 2.5 years in Bombay, Abbott, and after that I've joined. I got a great connections, and then one of my architects have been recommended to move to Singapore. That time I moved to Singapore, Autodesk. That time it's been started, my entire, connections with the community, and I have joined Salesforce Singapore Developer Group community, and I've served the community for a certain period. And after that, I've been working Autodesk for 8 to 9 months, and I moved to AppV as a chief architect for building the Health Cloud and Community Cloud and Service Cloud. So been more than 1 year in AppV. You've been roll out more than 40 countries for Health Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Community Cloud. We build a lot of patient portals for across Health Cloud, and been learned cross cloud kind of technologies. So we learned, when I was Autodesk, I was like an architect who learned many of the things, which have learned, AWS services, which have learned the ETL tools, which have learned TIBCO. I've learned, how the API structure works, how the API patterns works, and whatnot. Like I've leveraged APG, how APG proxy tool works, and everything. It's been a challenging role for me that I've learned my best out of it. It would have been come, and then that gives my career progression. And once I started my community things and serving to the community, and predominantly, so I've joined a consulting company called FSTOK at 2019 March. So there it's like consulting company. It's like moving my entire background from product to consulting. It's a challenging. So I'm the first employee in FSTOK again. It's like we're like a zero kind of a thing. We don't have any practice in Salesforce. We just started the practice of Salesforce, and I've appointed as a Chief Technology Officer. I've been great in terms of product design, the product solutioning, and delivery as well, and customer experience. So I started working with Epistoki for a year, and after that, within a year, the Epistoki has been growing to a silver partner company. And after a year, we moved to gold partners, and after a year, we moved to summit partners. Summit partner is one of the highest tiering partner in Salesforce, and I've recruited more than 70 to 100 people within the practice. We've grown as a team, and then we built a practice of different verticals across marketing cloud, velocity, and I've been at the same time I was keep growing, encouraging all my team members to learn many of the modules. And at the same time, I help my community. I volunteered many of the people. I serve the community of Salesforce, and love to still serve the community. And now we are one of the great partners across Southeast Asia, and that's what the entire of my career of progression from a education and industry perspective. But when it comes to serving the Trailblazer community, so I've started a group. I would love to share my screen and then love to showcase as well. Look at my profile. So you could follow me at Phaneendra Arigachetta. So you can look at my the certifications. I have 37 times certified and 3 velocity certified, and I have an accredited professional certifications as well. I'm a marketing champion and a MuleSoft industry GTM champion. I'm a TOGAP certified as well. So if you look at my entire progression of a career, so it started with with a couple of experiences. Started with my first company called a Salesforce developer, Sinova Financial Group. After that, this is a company where it turned my career into a great developer. And after that, I joined Abbott, and I've joined 3 months with Infosys. And after that, I moved to Autodesk Singapore, and I moved to AbbVie. AbbVie, I played the role of architect as well as a solution services manager and a program manager. And from there, I've started working with Epistoki from last 4.5 years. Been a tremendous experience working with Epistoki for a growth and learning perspective. And we grow like anywhere in Southeast Asia. And when it comes to my Trailblazer kind of an activity, look at me. So I've been appointed as a Salesforce MVP 2021, Salesforce Marketing Champion for 2021. And recently I've been appointed as a Salesforce MVP for 2023. Look at my name, Phaneendra here. So this is all something that, I would really thank to all the Trailblazers who are encouraging me on this initiative. I've been a lot of leaders, my special thanks to, a lot of my leaders, a lot of my people who encourages me all the time. And at the same time, I have 2 community groups. One with my Trailblazer community group I'm supporting currently for Salesforce Marketers Part. And you see plenty of sessions have been going on. So I've started a marketing cloud series, complete marketing cloud series, which starts from email studio, mobile studio, ad studio, and everything. So this has been completed more than 70 plus sessions. All 70 plus sessions have been completed. So if you look at all the sessions have been sitting under YouTube. So you can follow this channel of YouTube for Salesforce Marketers, Salesforce Singapore Marketers Group. You can see 0 subscriber to 1.28k subscribers have been grown within the span of 2 months. And we have 2 playlists, one for Marketing Cloud Bootcamp, one for Data Cloud, the recent product which is announced by Salesforce, Salesforce CDP, which we're calling as a Salesforce Data Cloud now. And you look at all the respective videos from what we have done from all the community, plenty of videos from global speakers. And I've been thankful to all the speakers who have been come together and then put this effort. And I really thank each and every speaker out of here. And at the same time, I have a Slack community group leader. I'm a Slack community group leader for Singapore. We have 325 members where we are conducting so many sessions on Slack. And really thank all my Slack group speakers as well, putting a lot of effort on building this event and building this, and especially thanks to the Slack community managers, Jacob and Kenshi. They did a fabulous job over there. And I have my personal blog. And initially, I've started writing Salesforce Triple is one of my blogs, the daddy of cloud-based CRM. So I've written plenty of blogs here with different kind of marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, So it's done different categories: FTC, Commerce Cloud, Einstein integrations, IoT Cloud. So all the cloud, different categories have been written. So after that, I've migrated my blog to my own branding, Phaneendra.com. You can follow me with the same thing. And within this, I've started writing Salesforce Data Cloud, personalization, OMS, Health Cloud, and all the clouds. So you can look at my top blogs where I've written, because I've recently appointed as a marketing champion for go-to-market champion, and appointed as marketing champion as well. I can see a list of blogs of what I've written recently for a MuleSoft industry champion, go-to-market champion, and you can see my list of certifications and the super badges and all the stuff. You can visit, and then you could subscribe this. You could just go and then put your email address and then you click on subscribe. So you will receive some notifications as well. And apart from this, from community, so what I'm doing is, if you follow me, you could see my profile, Phaneendra Arigachetta, with my Twitter handle @Arigachetta. So you could follow me, and then I'm trying to so if you look at. Recently had a couple of speaking sessions at Dreamforce, last year Dreamforce, and then I've given some sessions on India Dreaming. I'm going to talk on India Dreaming for Data Cloud, and I recently had a presentations at Architect Summit at India and MC Square event at India. So I've been educating my all the people, and then I'm a mentor, I'm a Salesforce mentor, mentored more than 26 mentees. When I proudly say that all of them have been recruited for great companies, and I'm really thankful for providing an opportunity from a Salesforce point of view, the Salesforce mentorship team, to serve the community in a different ways. Mentorship is one of the great program. I would really request everyone to go and then apply Salesforce mentorship. You could just go and then apply as a mentee, and then it's going to be a great program. So they'll assign a mentor for you, and then the mentor will help you out for working with you, and then he'll conduct some meetings with you to understand your career progression goals and all this stuff. And he'll guide you what are all the things that he required for resume writing and helping your career growth and all this stuff. So I got an opportunity to mentor more than 26 Trailblazers, and out of which more than 20 have been appointed, got a jobs in ecosystem with some high handsome salaries. I'm really happy with that. And still there are some Trailblazers have been keep messaging me on LinkedIn and all, so I was happy to helping them on a different various ways. So if anyone messages me on LinkedIn and Twitter, so I'm happy to serve them for asking any questions, helping any question they have in terms of their career, in terms of their technical questions and whatnot. So I'll be there for the community for all the time. And so look at the Salesforce MVP which I've appointed. This is a great thing in my career. Appointing as a Salesforce MVP. We're really thankful for Salesforce to be appointing me as a Salesforce MVP for 2023. And if you look at my Trailblazer, the Trailblazer profile, so you see my MVP program, and you can look at my complete profile of Trailblazer. You could follow me in Trailblazer, Trailhead as well. I have 37 certifications, out of which I've covered more staff, consulting, architect kind of certifications. And I'm planning to write my CTA down the year, and I've answered more than 900 plus questions with some best answers, and have some super badges with some skills as well. And apart from this, so I have a great community which I'm serving so far. I really thank for each and every person, and I've given so many sessions on B2C Commerce Cloud team, the Cross Cloud teams. If at any chance, you can go to your Salesforce Vidyard B2C, Vidyard multi-cloud solutions. I've written a lot of solutions on multi-cloud. So here is this B2C solution architect videos. So we look at this B2C solution architect. So you can see some of the sessions have been conducted for CDP for retail execution, learning labs, playlist, learning labs, B2C Commerce Cloud. So out of which I've talked about more than 5 to 6 sessions. And you keep looking at a couple of, with this channel, I have given a lot of cross cloud integration sessions. Apart from marketing cloud, I've given Slack certification, the Slack integration kind of sessions. And I've given commerce cloud sessions, OMS sessions, event monitoring security sessions. And I've covered more all the personalization sessions, integration with personalization to experience cloud, integration with marketing cloud to commerce cloud, integrating Marketing Cloud with Sales Service Clouds, and B2C Commerce Cloud with Sales Service Clouds. So it's like covering all the Task Cloud integrations. And I've given some free App Exchange apps and Chrome extension sessions as well. And you can see I've given some B2B Commerce Cloud sessions, a kind of series that I've run past. And this contains all the which include Marketing Cloud account engagement, Sales Service Cloud sessions, Interaction Studio. So I've covered all the Marketing Cloud suite here. Request everyone to go and then take a look about all this recording, so that I'm pretty sure this would be really benefit for their career of progression. So you don't need to spend any of the dollars with any other blogs or any other sessions. This bootcamp is enough for you to grow up quickly and landing in a dream job in Marketing Cloud or any other clouds. So pretty much that's it from my side, and I really thank you for giving this opportunity, and I would really serve for the community for the longer term, and I would be really kind of a true trailblazer, and I would love all the trailblazers to support me on this initiative. And at the same time, I would really thank for the entire Salesforce ecosystem that providing the best career for my progressive career. I'm not only a Salesforce evangelist, I'm an AWS evangelist, and I've worked on a lot of AWS services in my past. I'm really happy to work with many of the clouds and to serve the community with many of the technologies. And thank you once again. And let's have a great career progression from my perspective with the different clouds. I would really challenge and request for every trailblazer to work in a dedicated, challenging environment, so that you would quickly learn yourself and then you could quickly progress your career as well. Once again, thank you. Have a great day.